On a structural drawing, it is very important to read reinforcement notation. In this particular example, there are numbers written in a certain pattern here as an example. It will make sense once I explain what they stand for. If I begin with this number here, which says in this case 21, that is basically the bar mark. That's what you need to look in bar bending schedule to find out what it is. And in here, once you know how to read it, you can get the same information. So that's the bar mark, and the first number is how many of those bars. So from bar mark 21, there are 13 number of bars in this particular scenario. And then the second set, B25, is the bar size and the grade. In this case, 25 millimeter diameter bar. And then the third one is the bar mark again. And within this brackets, you have the shape code, which defines what shape this particular bar is. And then you have 150, that is the spacing between bars. In this particular case, it is 150 millimeters between two bars. And then finally, this letter is the location of this particular bar. In this particular scenario, it's the bottom. B stand for the bottom. And if you look in here, it's the same. Similar dimensions, a different bar mark, of course. 13 number of them, B25, that means 25 millimeter diameter bars, and the shape code is 21. Spacing between bars is 150 millimeters, and in this particular scenario, the bar is at the top. How to read this particular this is a very simple reinforcement drawing. How to read this bar, or the bar mark, is that bar extends from this top end to this bottom end, and then you have 13 number of those bars, 150 millimeter centers from this point to this point. That's how you would read. Of course, you can see different position for the bars in here. I'll put what they stand for in the description box below.